Hello, my name is Marco, and today I wanted to show you how to properly use the Corghi EM9280 wheel balancer. We're going to start with an easy assembly, so a steel wheel and clip-on weights. The machine comes with 4 different cones, different sizes. You have to select the right cone for the wheel, obviously, and our preference is to always put your centering cone on the inside. You can proceed and lock your wheel in place. All I have to do now with this internal gauge is to position it at the edge of the wheel where the inside tire would sit. And in one simple movement, the machine will already know the diameter and the distance from the machine of this wheel. As you can see on this monitor, it tells me passenger tire or light track tire. So you should use the light track only when you have very heavy assembly, like a 16.5, 19.5 for dualies and track. Normally, the machine will show up in passenger tire. All you have to do now is lower the hood. The machine is performing a quick spin, very quiet and fast. You can see we already have our imbalance. In this case, half ounce, 0.50 at 12 o'clock. Clip-on weight, we grab our half ounce, place it at 12 o'clock, put it in place, and do a check spin. As you can see, in a matter of seconds, our wheel is balanced to 0. Very simple. We can now proceed and balance this aluminum wheel. Different from the steel wheel, we're going to tell the machine where we're going to place the 2 tape-on weight. So with this gauge, we'll place it in 2 different positions. The first one on the inside, we wait for the beep. Second position, before the spokes, wait for the beep. Position. As you can see, the machine already detected that we're going to use 2 tape-on weight on the inside of the wheel. We're going to proceed with our spin. You can see our imbalance of 175 on the inside and 2 on the outside. After the first spin, the machine will automatically stop on one of the 2 imbalance. In this case, the external one. As you can see, there's a laser line on the bottom. All you have to do is to put your wheel weight in the center of this line on the selected weight. See the first one right here in the middle of the laser line. Very good. By pressing the start button or manually, you can move the wheel to the next position. So for the inside weight, the machine will automatically block the wheel when you reach the right spot and turn on the laser. You can see we have 175 on the inside. We can place it exactly in the center of the laser and proceed with the check spin. One more setting you need to know about the aluminum program. As you can see now, we have the 2 tape-on weight, but at any time on this icon with the enter button, we can change and go from tape to clip. So as you know, there's some kind of wheel where they rather use a clip-on instead of a tape on the inside. So in this case, you can change it with one simple click. And you can see the target will change to from 12 o'clock for the clip-on weight to 6 o'clock with the laser line for the tape-on weight. There is one more important program I wanted to show you, which is the hidden weight behind the spokes. So in case your end user wants to hide the tape-on weight behind 2 of the spokes, you can do that by selecting this icon and enter button. When you are on the outside imbalance, in this case 175, press enter on that icon. At this point, the machine will want to know where the 2 closest spokes are. So you can see you have a laser on, and just with the enter button, it will select the first spoke, move manually to the second one, enter again, and now you will be able to see on monitor that the weight has been split in 2. And in this case, 1/4 of an ounce behind that spoke at 6 o'clock, and 1 ounce 50 behind the next spoke, exactly 6 o'clock. We also know that today wheel weights come in different sizes and shapes. So you have at any time the possibility to change from grams to ounces. As you can see right now, it shows in 175 ounces. By pressing enter on the gram and ounces icon, it will automatically switch without the need to do an extra spin. We're going to have a close look at our control panel. See, we have only a few buttons over here. One is escape. We have an enter button. We have these two arrows. With these you'll be able to browse through the different icons and menu. We have a start button that is used to spin the wheel when the hood is down, or is used to go to the next unbalance when the hood is up. And we have a stop button that can manually activate the brake. I wanted to give a further explanation about the different balancing program on this machine. Starting from the 2 clip-on weight, this is called the dynamic program. You can actually see it on the bottom of the monitor, what program is now. From there we can select a variety. You can see this section of the wheel icon is highlighted. With the enter button that I showed you before, you can browse through different position of the weights. You can see by pressing enter, in this case we have 2 tape-on weight, aluminum 1 program. We have aluminum 2, in this case we have clip-on weight at 12 o'clock and tape-on weight at 6 o'clock with the laser line. If we keep going, it will go through tape-on weight on the inside, in this case tape-on weight outside the spokes, as you can see is at 12 o'clock, because outside the spokes wouldn't be able to be read with the laser, so in that case goes at 12. Clip-on and tape-on outside the spokes, both at 12 o'clock. Tape-on 6 o'clock with the laser line, and clip-on the outside of the wheel at 12 o'clock. Static, this is the program we suggest you to use on very heavy assembly, off-road tires, mudders. And if we keep browsing through, we will get to the motorcycle. You will actually see a motorcycle in this case with 2 clip-on weights, or motorcycle with tape-on weight. Of course, for motorcycle, the machine would require other accessories.